That makes me so sad.
Why?
Because I like Caleb a lot.
Oh, Steve, I'm so sorry. I can't be your girl.
No, you are no Caleb. No, no, no.
Well, she's getting ready to marry Adam, so we need to tell her congratulations as her shower's today.
No way.
Please, can we tell Adam and Caleb we're so sorry we can't be at the shower, but we are excited for them.
Yes, we are. We are so excited.
Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Caleb.
We miss you.
Yay!